It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 204. We have function f given by this. The question is, what is the value of this limit? And if we look at this limit expression, that's the definition of the derivative of f, right? You know, h approaches 0, denominator is h. This is f of a plus h minus f of a, right? So that's actually f prime of a, but that a is pi. So f prime pi, right? So the question is to find f prime pi, and the derivative of f is given right here. So let's find the derivative of f. It's arctangent. We have to remember the formula. Derivative of arctangent is, or inverse tangent, is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared, right? Times derivative of this x. But that's 1, so we don't have to write it, right? Okay, so f prime x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x squared. But instead of x, we have a 3x minus 2 pi, right? So all of these expressions squared. 3x minus 2 pi squared times chain rule, derivative of this, right? That's 3. Okay, remember 2 pi is constant, right? Derivative of 2 pi is 0. And derivative of 3x is equal to 3. Right? So that is equal to 3 over 1 plus 3x minus 2 pi squared. And we have to find f prime at x equal to pi, right? So we're going to substitute pi for x. So that is equal to 3 over 1 plus, here 3 pi minus 2 pi, that's pi, right? So pi squared. So the answer is 3 over 1 plus pi squared.